Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on self-cleaning on your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've been using your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer and you want to initiate the self-cleaning process. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, it's first recommended that once you want to start the self-cleaning process or program, you want to go ahead and remove the basket and just try your best to make sure that the basket and as well as the grill plate is as clean as possible. So once you have that cleaned up, go ahead and insert the basket and the grill plate. Next, if you haven't already, you want to make sure that your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer is connected to the mobile app on your phone. If it's not already connected, then I recommend that you install the Typhur mobile app, which looks like this. Go ahead and create an account and log in. And then once you're logged in, the home page of your app is going to look like this. On your mobile device, turn on Bluetooth and also turn on Wi-Fi. Next, turn on your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. Press and hold the up and down arrows on the time selection and hold it down for about 2 seconds. You're going to see a Wi-Fi icon start to blink. Now on your mobile device, click on Add Device. Then click on Typhur Dome 2/Dome 2. Then click on My Device is Ready because that right there is blinking. And then you should automatically see your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. So click on Pair. Now you need to select your Wi-Fi network and do make sure that the Wi-Fi network that you select is a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So click on your Wi-Fi, enter the password of your Wi-Fi. Then you're going to see that it's currently connecting. So give it a couple of seconds. And then you should now see that it's successfully been prepared with your device. Click on Done. Now this right here is the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer that you've just connected. Click on it, then click on Self-Cleaning, and then click on Self-Cleaning again. So you're going to reach this page here that says whether you want to do a deep clean or a clean. So it is recommended that for every time you cook like lower fatty foods such as fries, pizza, or chicken wings, you can run the self-cleaning about once a month. If you tend to deal with a lot of high-fat foods like steak or pork chops or bacon, you can run it at least like twice per month. But if you're using this on a daily basis, then you probably want to run it like at least once per week. But do decide, depending on how dirty your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer is, whether you want to do a deep clean or just a regular clean. Once it's done cleaning, just make sure that you give it some time to cool before you go and touch it again, just because the hole and casing is going to be very hot. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on self-cleaning on your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.